In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check unread emails in Outlook using a simple built-in filter that saves you time and keeps your inbox organized. Whether you're managing a busy work inbox or just trying to stay on top of important messages, this quick method will help you instantly see only what you haven't read yet. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and navigate to the folder you want to check. This is typically your inbox, but you can use this method in any folder like sent items, drafts, or custom folders you've created. Once you're in your folder, look toward the upper corner of your message list. You'll see a filter icon that looks like a funnel shape. This is Outlook's filtering tool that lets you sort and view your emails based on different criteria. Click on the filter icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Unread. As soon as you click Unread, Outlook will instantly filter your email list to show only the messages you haven't opened yet. This makes it super easy to focus on what still needs your attention. If there are no unread emails in that folder, the list will be empty and no messages will be displayed. This confirms you're all caught up. Now, when you want to see all your emails again, simply click the filter button, which will now be labeled unread to show that a filter is active. From the drop-down, select all or click to clear the filter. Your full email list will immediately reappear. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check unread emails in Outlook quickly and efficiently using the filter feature. If this video helped you stay organized, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.